You surprised me, Mr. Avery. You haven't heard about our town employees' latest labor victory? Took a 3-week strike to win.
Yeah, it was something about lunch.
An earlier break. I'm sure you'll be okay on your own. I'll be out till, I don't know, 1 or a quarter of. You feel completely at home now, you hear?
Have a happy lunch.
Thank you.
Well, I'll tell you what. When you get the hotel fixed up, I'll come and stay there, okay? So you can book me a room now.
Sure. You got it. The best in the house.
Oh, of course.
Martin, I've already told you I don't have the money. Do whatever you want to do as long as it doesn't cost.
I have carte blanche?
Carte blanche, but not a blank check, okay?
Okay.
The 7 dreaded gateways to hell are concealed in 7 cursed places.
60 years ago, everybody in this hotel disappeared. Every last person. A painter called Spike, who lived here, closeted in his room, had found a key.
What key?
The 7 gateways to hell. This house was constructed. On one of in this book are collected all the prophecies of Aban, handed down from generation to generation over more than 4,000 years. You are Liza, aren't you?
Yes.
My name is Emily. I've been looking for you.
Because according to the Book of Avon, this hotel is one of the 7 gateways of hell.
The eyes! The eyes. Her eyes.
No, Liza. I'm a doctor. And I won't accept irrational explanations.
I've lived in New York all my life. And if there's one thing I've learned not to believe in, it's ghosts.
Woe be unto him who opens one of the 7 gateways to hell, because through that gateway, evil will invade the world.
Be careful what you do, because this hotel was built over one of the 7 doors of evil, and only I can save you.
And you will face the sea of darkness, and all therein that may be explored.
The 7 dreaded gateways are concealed in 7 cursed places. Woe be unto him who ventures near without knowledge.
Well, here it is. How long do you think it'll take?
It'll take as long as it takes.
That book's been there for 2 years. Nobody wants to buy it. It's very nice, though. Very, very interesting.
And the day the gates of hell are opened, on that day, the dead will walk the earth.
You ungodly warlock. Because of you, this hotel and this town will be cursed forever.
We blind see things more clearly. I wanted to spare you, but now